This is the covers at the side, and you guys get all the tools together with it, the nuts, keys. You get an instruction as well from EVBase. Roof rack installation manual, tutorial manual. Let's get the stickers out and we will install this first, yeah? Guys, to install the roof rack, you will need to locate the arrow here, yeah? You see that here? Not sure you can see that. There's an arrow right at this corner and another one at the back here. Yep. So these are the arrows, two over here and the other two over the other side. And this is important because these are the places where you will need to put in the screw or the slot in the screws, yeah? You need to slot in the screws. Make sure that in this area you put this sticker on so that it doesn't scratch your paint. The paint will not chip off or you will not scratch anything here, yeah? Another one. Okay. Install, you need to put this in there, yeah? So this is the screw that goes into the arrow area earlier. So this part will go in. You just slot it in here. So this is the prying tool which is provided. So what you need to do is just pry this a little bit at this area. Slowly slot it in, yeah, and there you go. The second one, put it right in the middle of the arrow here and slot it in, yeah. Another one, just need to push this in because there's some rubbers, yeah, so you just need to make sure the rubber is not in the way. Okay, so then you can just slot this in. Yep, now this is secured. And the last one, this one. Okay, I can slot this in just like that. So next will be this rubber fits, yeah, and this, especially this one, the thinner one, yeah, the two thinner ones will go to the front. L1 for left, R1 for right, okay, and this is for the rear, left, rear, right, yeah, simple as that. So I'm now at this side, so let's install this first. Okay, this is the rubber feet meant for R1, right one on in front, and it goes in like this, yeah. And that is it. It should be going according to the shape of your car, yeah. See that? And this is for the R2, yeah, the right behind, yeah. So let's put this in, and yeah, there you go. L2, and let's put this, yeah, this way. Okay. So right, let's install the crossbar. Be careful not to hit the roof. Let's install another one. The longer one goes behind, which is this one, right? Okay. So now you have both bars in place. Okay. To secure them, just use this provided. Screw this in to secure it. Just as simple as that. Even give us this, the Allen key, to secure it further. And goes to the rest of the place as well. 3 more to go. Another one here. One comes here. You can also use this pry tool here, this area, to secure it further by doing this. Yep. So just put it here, and yeah, and another round. Okay, until it's tightened. Next, just test out whether it's secure. It is. The whole car is shaking, and this as well. Okay, let me just put this down. Okay, like just to show you my camera is not shaking. Okay, and the whole car is shaking because of these 2 crossbar. So you also get keys to lock this in place so that nobody can steal this. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. Yeah, just like that. Then it's locked as well. I think it should be for the front. There you go. And now it's locked. Let's cover this up now. Okay, and it's secured. Let's go to the other side and cover this up. Just need to push it a little bit in. There you go. It's covered. So guys, this is installed, a really solid one, and I hope this helps you to install the new crossbar that you buy from EVBase. Yeah.